So today we're going to talk about converting from grams to moles. So if you remember from the reading that we did on Monday, we can take the weight of something in grams and convert that to the number of moles. And then we can convert that to the number of atoms or molecules. So in order to do this, to get from grams to moles, we divide by the molar mass, or to get from moles to grams, we multiply by the molar mass. And then when you're going from moles to number of atoms or molecules, you multiply by Avogadro's number, or you divide by Avogadro's number to get from number of atoms or molecules to number of moles. Today we're just going to focus on this first part, going from grams to moles. So how we do that is something called dimensional analysis. So let's look at water for a second. We know the molar mass of water is 18.02 grams per mole. So if I wanted to know how many moles of water are in 10 grams, how would we do that? Well, first thing we do is we're going to draw this cross. So here in the cross, this vertical line means everything to the left and right gets multiplied, and this horizontal line, everything on the top gets divided by the bottom. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our given information, 10 grams of water. And then we need to put in our molar mass. So that was our weight, and now we need to put in our molar mass, which is 18.02 grams in 1 mole. Now the reason the number is 1 mole is because if we look back up there at 18.02 grams per mole, it's always going to be 1, because 18.02 grams are in 1 mole. So in 1 mole, there's 18.02 grams. So if we do the math, the grams are going to cancel out. Just kind of like if you had a 5 on top and a 5 on the bottom, they would both cancel out. The grams on the top cancels out with the grams on the bottom. And the answer, if you put it into your calculator, is going to give you 0.55 moles of water. So what I did was I took 10 times 1 divided by 18.02, and that equals 0.55 moles. So go ahead and try this one on your own. How many moles of carbon are in a 0.2 gram diamond?